Freedom Team here with Overhead Doors Unlimited and Eric Crawl. Eric, thanks for joining us today. We have this beautiful custom garage door. They can do pretty close to anything you can dream up within reason. We're probably not doing polka dots on the garage door or anything like that, but they're also going to cover your standard garage doors. Tell us a little bit about the company, Eric.
Overhead Doors Unlimited's been in the Valley, serving the Fox Valley surrounding areas for over 40 years. Garage doors have become more of a focal point in homes, especially newer homes. We can still do the standards, but with window patterns, colors, wood-looking stained doors, the options are endless, and we would have a door that could fit that need.
Yeah, book them now for the spring or summer season, but I'm going to ask, as always, I want to ask our expert to give us a little bit of freebie of knowledge. So let's transition over and take a look at something that he sees on service calls every week.
So some of the service calls we run into is garage door springs breaking. That's a usage thing. That's something obviously you'll need to contact us on. Dangerous. You won't have the things you need for it. Simple one to check as a homeowner is your photo eyes. Every garage door, new openers have photo eyes. They might have different colors compared to the type of operator you have. This one here has a red photo eye and a green photo eye. They're on constant. They're not flashing, they're lit constantly. So what happens is, sometimes we see a lot of times people bump their photo eyes. I'm just gonna bend it for effect. But people will bump their photo eyes, with a grill or a garbage can, or kids hit them with a bike. Now with that light flashing tells me that it's not making an alignment. So now if I try to shut my garage door won't shut because it's reading that the photo eyes are out of alignment. So that's a real quick, easy thing. You can check to make sure. I bend it back. Lights back up again, and now we're good to go.